Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, is reporting that inflation expectation from businesses went down in its November survey. The survey indicated an expected inflation of 4.7% for the 2018 calendar year. This is lower than the September 2018 survey outturn of 4.8%. Expectations for consumer prices over the next 12 months also declined to 5.1% compared to the previous survey outturn of 5.5%. However, the perception of inflation control improved in the November survey. The survey also revealed that businesses expect the currency to appreciate over the next 12 months. CEO and founder of Edufocal, Gordon Swaby, is pushing back against the new data protection bill, which he claims will make things harder for digital entrepreneurs. Mr. Swaby was speaking on the latest episode of The Exchange, Financial Gleaner and JNN Business Forum.
But not to shift the conversation a bit, I don't think we can have a conversation about the internet today without talking about the pending Data Protection Act and how it raises the barrier to entry for entrepreneurs in that space.
The digital entrepreneur argued that the new bill will introduce mandatory filing for every piece of data collected from the online clients, which will prompt the need for a data controller.
Having what you'd call a data controller. So what that means is that anybody, whether you're 10 years old or 15 years old, once you're collecting people's information online, then you'll need a data controller, and you'll have to essentially almost start filing information to a new office, where it's almost like it's data, it's the equivalent of filing information with the tax office.
And that's your Holiday Business Day. International news is next.